68. Accept no substitutes. A mother telephoned me in some desperation. She had heard me speak 3 years earlier and now she wanted help. Her 15-year-old daughter was seriously delinquent, defiant in her attitude and involved in promiscuity and narcotics. Was there a special school somewhere that could help her daughter be good? I thought of that mother and many others as I read the Ann Landers column this morning. A 22-year-old girl wrote of her, quote, terrible problem, end quote, whenever she went out and had, quote, a little too much to drink, end quote, she wet her bed. Now she faced marriage soon and was terrified at the thought of her fiancé learning the truth. She wrote, "Can you suggest something that will help me stop wetting the bed permanently?" Ann Landers gave the obvious and sensible advice. Drinking obviously was not for her, so stop drinking permanently. Why did it not occur to the girl? Why did the mother of the 15-year-old delinquent fail to think of some discipline in the family? The answer is an obvious one. People today expect a pill or some kind of psychiatric treatment or a medical gadget to solve all man's problems. Give them the obvious answer, discipline, a change of habits or self-control, and they are shocked and disappointed. They want things to be different automatically and mechanically. A doctor once told me that it continually amazed him what people expected some miracle drug might someday do for man. They expect a pill to replace the necessity for common sense and good health habits. The root of all this is sin. Its principle is, change the world but not me. Keep my daughter from her promiscuity and narcotics, but don't ask me to do anything. Keep me from wetting my bed, but don't ask me to stop drinking. Give me what I want without asking me to do anything I may not want to do. Such a position is a halting between two opinions, and it marks much of our country. All too many people want the results of godliness and righteousness without the faith and obedience which it requires. They are very much like those whom Elijah spoke to. Quote, "And Elijah came unto all the people and said, How long halt ye between two opinions? If the Lord be God, follow him, but if Baal, then follow him. And the people answered him not a word." 1 Kings 18:21. Not surprisingly, they became a slave people. The mother who telephoned continues to be a slave to her delinquent daughter. The problems you and I face are more serious than the one faced by the bedwetting girl, but we are just as ridiculous and sinful if we expect them to go away without doing something. No worse troubles than a wet bed. Accept no substitutes for faith and character. They will not work.